Live out your Willy Wonka fantasies at these 10 candy factory tours. From chocolate to jelly beans, yep, even Pez. Appease your sweet tooth and travel to the mothership. Across the United States are dozens of candy makers inviting you to witness their creation in a factory tour. From jelly, belly beans in California, to Hershey, Kisses in Pennsylvania, and plenty of boutique companies in between. Here's where to go for some domestic treats. Chapter 1: Jelly Belly Candy Company. Jelly Belly Guide. Biting into a jelly bean and tasting buttered popcorn or strawberry cheesecake never gets old, right? Jelly Belly knows how to tantalize those taste buds. And the best part is, you can learn all about this flavor fusion via a free self-guided tour. Imagine strolling through those doors and entering a world of pure imagination. Think about those giant jelly bean containers, filled with colors you've never even seen before. Buttery popcorn, sweet cotton candy, tart green apple. It's enough to make your head spin. In a good way, of course. But whatever you do, don't leave without visiting the shop for belly flops. These misshapen jelly beans are a steal. Ridiculously reduced prices for just as much deliciousness. Chapter 2: The Hershey Company. Hershey Guide. Let's be honest, no chocolate lover's road trip is complete without a stop at the motherland, Hershey, Pennsylvania. Picture this. You're walking down the street, the aroma of freshly made chocolate filling your nostrils. You step inside the factory, and the air is warm and sweet. And then you see it, the production line, churning out thousands of Hershey's Kisses every minute. The best part? The tours are totally free and last just a half hour during operating hours. But if you want to take your chocolate experience to the next level, tack on a tasting experience for $10.95. It's like wine tasting, but for chocolate. Chapter 3: Long Grove Confectionery, Co. Now, if you find yourself craving something a bit more unique, hop in your car and take a scenic drive northwest of Chicago to the quaint little town of Long Grove. This charming village is home to the Long Grove Confectionery Co., a family-owned business that's been satisfying sweet tooths since 1975. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the aroma of freshly made caramel, chocolate, and buttery toffee. Watch in amazement as they create their signature myrtles, peppermint creams, chocolate-covered pretzels, and melt-in-your-mouth English toffee. Just remember, the factory tours run daily, except for Sunday and holidays. Chapter 4: Hammond's Candies. For a taste of the past, set your GPS for Denver, Colorado, and get ready to step back in time at Hammond's Candies. Founded in 1920, this mile-high city gem has been crafting classic candies for over a century. Walking through the doors of Hammond's is like stepping into a time capsule. During your free factory tour, you'll don a charming paper hat and witness the art of candy making the old-fashioned way. And don't forget to stop by the gift shop, where you can stock up on all your favorites, from classic hard candies to creamy chocolates. Chapter 5: Pez Candy. Calling all Pez enthusiasts. Prepare yourself for the ultimate pilgrimage to the Pez Candy Factory in Orange, Connecticut. For a mere $5, you can embark on a self-guided tour of this 4,000 square foot wonderland, where the iconic candy dispensers come to life. Get ready to feast your eyes on a sight that will make your inner child squeal with delight. The world's largest PZ dispenser. during your tour, you'll delve into the fascinating history of this beloved brand, from its humble beginnings to its iconic status. And with a $2 store discount included in your admission, you can stock up on Pez dispensers and candy to your heart's content. Chapter 6. Raaka Chocolate. Now, if you're a true chocolate connoisseur, you're probably familiar with the bean-to-bar movement. And when it comes to bean-to-bar chocolate, Raaka Chocolate in Brooklyn, New York, is in a league of its own. On Saturdays and Sundays, they host exclusive tasting tours that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling like a true chocolate expert.
During the tour, you'll be guided through every step of the chocolate making process, from the roasting and grinding of the cacao beans to the tempering and molding of the chocolate. And for those who want to delve even deeper into the world of chocolate making, Raaka offers a 2-hour chocolate making class on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evenings. It's the perfect opportunity to unleash your inner chocolatier and create your own delicious masterpieces.
Chapter 7. Theo Chocolate.
Our next stop takes us to Seattle, Washington, home of Theo Chocolate, a pioneer in the American artisan chocolate movement.
Since 2006, Theo Chocolate has been crafting delicious, ethically sourced chocolate that is a true testament to their commitment to sustainability and fair trade practices.
Step inside their Fremont factory and you'll be greeted by the intoxicating aroma of roasting cacao beans and the warm smiles of the passionate chocolatiers.
During their 1-hour weekday tours, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the bean-to-bar process and learn about the positive impact that sustainable practices have on cacao farmers around the world.
Calling all fans of sunbursts and Choco Rocks, have you ever wondered where these delightful candies are made? Well, wonder no more. Kimmie Candy, the mastermind behind these treats, welcomes you to their factory in Reno, Nevada. Founded 17 years ago in Sacramento, California, Kimmie Candy has been spreading sweetness and joy across the nation. Their factory tours, offered on weekdays by appointment only, provide a fascinating glimpse into the candy-making process. During the tour, you'll discover the secrets behind their signature candies, from the colorful candy shells to the rich chocolate centers. So, if you're looking for a unique and delicious factory tour experience, be sure to add Kimmie Candy to your list.
If you're a sucker for nostalgia and have a soft spot for old-fashioned candy, then a visit to the Sweet Candy Company in Salt Lake City, Utah is an absolute must. Founded in 1892, this family-owned business has been a beloved fixture in the community for over a century. Step inside their charming factory, and you'll be transported back in time to a bygone era of candy making. During their free weekday tours, you'll witness the art of crafting saltwater taffy and fruit sours, two classic candies that have stood the test of time. But Sweet Candy Company isn't stuck in the past. They also produce a variety of more modern treats, including cinnamon bears coated in milk chocolate and chocolate-covered fruit sticks. So, come hungry and prepared to indulge in a taste of history. Our final stop on this epic chocolate factory tour takes us to Bryan, Ohio, the home of Spangler Candy Company. Founded in 1906, Spangler is a true icon in the candy world, responsible for creating some of the most beloved treats of all time, including Dum Dums, Smarties, and Circus Peanuts. Prepare to be amazed as you hop aboard a trolley and embark on a fascinating journey through Spangler's history and candy-making prowess. Your first stop will be the Spangler store, where you can stock up on all your favorite Spangler candies and find unique souvenirs to commemorate your visit. Next, you'll get a behind-the-scenes look at the Spangler assembly line, where you'll witness firsthand how their iconic candies are made. From the mixing of the ingredients to the packaging of the finished product. Finally, no visit to Spangler would be complete without a trip to the Spangler Candy Company Museum. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible chocolate factory tours that will satisfy your sweet tooth and leave you feeling like a kid again. From the nostalgic charm of Hammond's Candies to the bean-to-bar artistry of Raaka Chocolate, there's a factory tour on this list for every taste and budget. So, do your research, plan your route, and get ready to embark on a deliciously sweet adventure. And who knows, maybe you'll even discover your new favorite candy along the way. Happy travels, and may your journey be filled with plenty of sweet treats.